Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to show you how to bypass the content filter of ChatGPT on Windows. The first step is to log into your OpenAI account at betaopenai.com. Once you've logged in, navigate to your personal settings and click on View API Keys. Here, you'll create a new set of secret keys and copy them to your clipboard. Next, you'll want to head over to the GitHub link that I provided in the description and download the ChatGPT bypass script. Once you've downloaded it, extract the files to a location of your choice. Now open PowerShell on your Windows machine and navigate to the directory where you extracted the ChatGPT bypass script using the cd command. Then, enter the following command to set your API key as an environment variable. Make sure to replace your API key goes here with the actual API key you copied earlier. Finally, you can ask whatever you want from ChatGPT by using this command. Thank you for watching.